Oh! Oh, I got something. He's down in the tree. Come on, come on, come out of there. Come on out of there. Oh, oh, he's loose. He's loose. He's loose. That's a big fish. There is no way this is a bass. I can't even turn its head, Clyde. He still got me in the tree. There we go. Now we're loose. Now we're loose. There's the leader. Big old catfish. He took that old monster worm. Can't get him up. Look at that. He's 29 inches. Okay, folks. There you go, my first fish of the day. This humongous cat here. 29 inches, back he goes.